You know, everyone can agree COVID cases are finally dropping in our state, but not enough for some parents and school leaders who believe the biggest priority is keeping kids healthy and in class.
Our stakes are high. We have children in our charge, so we take that responsibility very seriously.
That's why Dr. Jeanice Shift, superintendent of Ann Arbor Public Schools, says despite Washtenaw County dropping the mask mandate, she isn't ready to do the same for students in her district. A letter went out to parents Friday saying they will continue to follow federal and state health recommendations of universal masking until numbers improve.
We are looking for our own cases in our schools, in particularly those situations where we're seeing clusters of cases in schools. We're looking for that to come down. We report those numbers every Friday. So we are keeping a close eye every day on those numbers. We are also watching those county numbers.
While Dr. Shift appreciates the opportunity to require masks depending on their own infection and vaccination rates, Kathleen Lucas, one of the leaders of the Michigan Parent Alliance for Safe Schools, believes the decision should be left to public health officials.
I know nobody asked for this situation. Nobody is happy about it. Nobody likes it, but we can't just return to a normal that's not here anymore.
Lucas's 2 vaccinated young children still wear masks to Hudsonville Public Schools near Grand Rapids, although they haven't been required since January, shortly after her kids became infected with COVID. Right now, MyPass, the bipartisan parent group, feels there is not enough data about reinfection rates. It is still asking districts to follow CDC and MDHHS recommendations to mask up indoors, despite research that has showed masks are now impacting the education of young children.
Children who are immunocompromised or live with someone who is immunocompromised, I think their right to be in school at all should trump everyone else's ability to see faces for 6 hours.
On February 28th, when the health order is lifted, some districts are giving students a choice whether to mask up. Because their #1 priority is to keep kids in the classroom, Dr. Shift says they plan to take this step by step and consider the next step as soon as the infection rates in her district are no longer in the high range.
I know we're all looking forward to the day when maybe we'll be able to remove masks at school. We're not quite there yet.
And this is why. She says, although case rates have dropped overall, latest numbers show the virus is still spreading in all 83 Michigan counties, especially in Washtenaw County. Monica.
So, Taryn, what would make them comfortable enough to drop the indoor mask requirement?
Well, you know, the numbers have to at least be between low and moderate, they say. But, you know, of course, the argument is vaccinations are available now and people should be able to make that choice on their own.
All right, more to come in the next couple of weeks as some of these mask mandates are dropped.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Taryn.